Hi guys, this is Hector. Today is the 16th of May 2007. It's about noon London time, and I'm considering a short entry on the sterling pound at the 4 hours time frame. First of all, I must say that this is a risky trade. Okay, it's a trade with it's not that orthodox setup. Okay, I'm seeing some different technical analysis factors that I do like. However, this is not what I would consider a conservative trade. All right. Okay, first of all, let's have a look at the daily chart. I'm seeing a trend line break right there. You see, broken with momentum. Quite a heavy momentum actually last week on the way down. You see, now we are retracing to the way to the upside. Okay, actually we can see that better on the 4 hours chart. Let's zoom into the 4 hours chart. There we are. Last week we broke with momentum on a massive almost 200 pip range day, the breakout of to the upside that we saw on the daily chart. Okay, now after that breakout to the downside, we've just gone through actually yesterday with the retracement part of the swing down. We've banked onto the 50% Fibonacci, also last week's low right there. Okay, this level's been working. This is a level that's been working as a support and resistance. Two of them actually. First one is this one. Okay, previous week's low. I'm hoping it to work as resistance today, and moreover we have this level. Alright, let me draw that properly. This level, the 198.50 round number level, right there, and now working. It's been working as an intraday resistance. Sorry, as intraday support. We've broken below that level. We are now going through the retracement part. Let's zoom into the 1 hour chart for a clearer view. There we are. Okay. That level, the 198.50. Working as resistance there, working as support now, being broken, being retested, and I'm looking into continuation of the move to the downside. Okay, we are seeing an M formation. It is one of the reversal formations I tried, especially. It's like I always say, it's reversals are not about the formation in themselves, but where in the chart they actually happened. That's why I zoom into my setup chart, which is the 4 hours chart. You can see that it's banging onto the dynamic area of resistance. Moving averages all pointing down. Okay, more or less parallel, a little bit snaky as you can see. Moving averages parallel to each other, all pointing down, a little bit snaky, to be honest. That's why I'm saying it's a rather risky trade. It's not very conservative. Okay, there is a component of a higher component of risk in this trade that I usually take. Anyway, this setup is taking up, is developing. Right off the inner channel. Okay, there is an inner channel in the 4 hours time frame. There is an outer channel up there, an outer trend line. There is an inner trend line, and this reversal formation is happening right off it. Okay, like I said, also off the week's swing, 50% Fibonacci, previous swings low, former support now working as resistance, etc., etc. So I am liking this setup. Okay, I'm liking the short entry, which of course will be triggered as I begin to make new lows for the day. The stop loss will be placed above the round number 198.50, and my target price, I'm gonna use the average daily range, which is one of my techniques as far as establishing my price targets. The average daily range for the pound, it's in the last 100 days, it's been about 120 pips. Today we've moved 48 pips. Okay, so from here to here there's been 48 pips, and since the average is about 120 pips, I will add 120 pips from the high of the day, 198.70, which will take me to 197.50. Alright, which is, I like this target, is right at a previous level of support. Also the round number, I will just place it few pips above, and hopefully throughout the day we will sink all the way down here. Alright, I will keep on updating this video as soon as well, either we get an entry or I get an entry right there, or price keeps on shooting up and this level not working as the resistance that I'm hoping for. Okay, I'm hoping for this formation. Alright, M reversal formation, breakout, retest, and continuation of the move to the downside, trigger, stop loss, final target. Alright guys, bye bye. Hi guys, just a quick update. I've entered into the trade 1 minute ago. It seems like it's falling down in momentum. This is my entry, alright, 198.24, and well, I will keep on updating how this trade develops over the morning. Alright. Hi guys, this is Sector. One final update, just to let you know that I've just closed my trade. It's for plus 55 pips. It's been about 5 hours onto this trade. Currently the day range for today on the GBP USD has been 108 pips. The average for the day is 119, so we are about to hit the average daily range. I've just closed it. Like I say, for plus 55, I'm gonna call it a day, and I'm going out to enjoy the rest of my day. Alright guys, bye bye.